now it's time to talk about the most complicated of the machines down here in the laundry area is our washer. The first thing to do is to choose a load from one of these bins. The load that is biggest right now is the red load. So I'm going to load all those clothes into the washer first. Okay, clothes are loaded. So the very next thing that I do is I turn the washer on. And then I add the detergent after that once the water has started running. So I'm going to close this for a minute so I can show you the controls. So the load size, I almost always leave that on medium, because what that actually does is it's kind of like an indicator for how much water that the washer will fill up with. And I usually don't want it to be any more than for a medium load. Sometimes my medium loads are actually kind of big, but if it's really, really big, I put it on large, and I never use Super Plus, but Daddy does sometimes. So I usually use medium for everything. And then over here for temperature, I usually leave it on warm, cold. And what that is it's a warm wash and a cold rinse. You could also use cold, cold to save energy. I usually leave it on warm, cold. And then over here for extra rinse, end of cycle, I just leave that right there. Okay, so there's no extra rinse, but there is one at the end of the cycle, which the way that this is set up, it doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me, but I think that's what that means. So you can just leave this third one alone. Now, this is what controls the washer. And so what I do for 99% of the loads that I put in this washer, you turn this, you push it and you turn it, and you have to turn it clockwise. And I turn it until that little line goes to 6, and then I pull it out. And that starts the water going in. And so now, once the water starts, I go ahead and I'm going to need to fill up the cup with both hands. So I'm going to check back with you on that. I need to point out that this cup has little numbers on the side, or really kind of baked into it. So 1 is for 1 load of clothes. You will never need 2 or 3 or 4. Trust me. You need to fill it to the line for 1. Okay? Fill it to the line for 1. So it's never going to be full. You're going to put about that much in there. So you can see I have my cup filled up and ready to go. Now it probably doesn't matter, but I usually try to pour it into the water stream as it's filling up. And then, again, doesn't matter, this is just how I do it, but I like put a little bit of water in there, and then I toss the cup in there. And then you close the washer. You are done. That is all.